Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. As part of the extraordinary visitation to Our Lady Assumption Province of Paraguay, PAR, conducted on behalf of the Rector Major Father Hugo Orozco, Councillor for the Inter-America region, visited the Salesian work in Concepcion from Thursday 7 to Sunday 10 September. Over these days, after a festive welcome, Father Orozco met with the rectors and pastoral managers at the San Jose, San Luis and Don Bosco schools and representatives of the catechesis, liturgy, animation and social work groups at Mary Help of Christians Parish. He then spoke with the young people in the different groups belonging to the Salesian youth movement at the school, celebrated the Eucharist in the parish church and shared dinner with the lay representatives from the various school sectors. On Saturday the 9th, he spent the day meeting and conversing with the Salesians, while on the last day of the visit, he celebrated the Eucharist in the Colegio St. Louis Chapel and held a concluding and prayerful meeting with the Salesians. It was 1st September 1993 when the bell rang for the first time at the Salesian Secondary School in Sokolov Polotski. Now on September 16th, on the occasion of the 30th anniversary, a meeting was held to celebrate and review the results achieved by the school and remember the people who work and have worked there. The celebration began at the Sokolov Cultural Center with many guests and the entire school community present to attend some conferences on Don Bosco's educational system. This was then followed by an artistic performance performed by the actors of the school's Plurite Theatre Club and a show by the Sokolaviani Song and Dance, in whose ranks many students of the school have been dancing and singing for years. A meeting of Salesian rectors from the Salesian province of Brazil Recife PRE took place in Juazeiro do Norte from 11 to 16 September. The event, which takes place every 4 years, took place this year during the feast and pilgrimage of the Blessed Virgin Mary. The program included moments of formation on Father Cicero Romao Batista and on the Salesian mission in the city, Eucharistic celebration and participation in the pilgrimage and other activities planned for the commemoration of Our Lady of Sorrows, patroness of Juazeiro do Norte. Father Inácio Vieira, Provincial of Brazil Recife PRE, said that the choice to have the meeting coincide with the pilgrimage was dictated by the fact that for every priest, immersing himself in God's mercy and assisting pilgrims is always an important experience. Now, in Juazeiro do Norte, there is growing anticipation of the visit of the Rector Major in 2024 for the dedication of the Bom Jesus do Horto Church and the declaration of Father Cicero Romao as a posthumous Salesian cooperator. A meeting of the Salesian Youth Movement SYM in Italy's central circumscription took place from 9 to 10 September at the Don Bosco work. There were 560 attendees, making it the largest in the history of the ICC. For the young people who took part, it was an opportunity to embrace and remember true friendships, but also to talk and discuss with Salesians and young people belonging to the SYM and to be witnesses in the lives of other young people. After these days, the young people now trust that this event will be able to pass on to future members of the SYM and to all those who will be part of it the same emotions that it has passed on to them. Nitika Don Bosco in Calcutta hosted the first youth ministry formation event for young Salesians from the provinces of New Delhi, Dimapur, Guwahati, Shillong and Calcutta from 13 to 17 September. The program was organized by Don Bosco Youth Animation South Asia Director Father Patrick Lepcha and by the provincial youth ministry delegates from Chennai and New Delhi, Father John Christie and Father Shillong Kirketa. A total of 22 Salesians participated in the program, including 20 priests and 2 Salesian brothers. Also present was Father Joseph Pauria, Superior of the Salesian Province of Calcutta, who urged those present to reflect on Article 31 of the Salesian Constitutions, which insists on the intention to form upright citizens and good Christians. Among other interventions, it was worth mentioning the one by Father Arvind Khalko, Provincial Social Communication Delegate, who spoke with the participants on social media and their impact on youth ministry. Mass was celebrated on 15 September at the tomb of Saint Teresa of Calcutta. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.